The Lower Limb Intelligent Feedback and Training System, abbreviated for A1, is a lower limb rehabilitation training equipment independently developed and produced by our company, which is used to prevent disability and enhance the daily living capability of the dysfunctional persons, mainly in a way of exercise to meet daily living demands. A1 consists of 5 parts, including machine body, weight support device, bed, operation interface, and pedal. Mainly applicable to the patient with incomplete walk or movement functions, insufficient movement, multiple sclerosis, or rheumatism shrinkage, etc., particularly for early rehabilitation training. It can make the patient change body positions, in weight reduction status, and carry out mark time training to simulate the physiological gait of people's normal walk in highest degree. Gait control applies servo motor control system. The 3 speed change processes, including initial velocity, accelerated velocity, and retarded velocity, are completed during the movement, which can effectively simulate the physiological gait of people's normal walk. Safety. When the patient is in the training process, A1 can quickly monitor and start the anti-spasm function because of the spasm caused by muscular tension asthenia, and the machine moves adversely to relieve the patient's spasm and restart after the velocity is automatically decreased. At the same time, in order to reduce the patient's tension, there is an emergency switch when discomfort occurs. The patient can press the switch by himself/herself to control the machine, thus giving the sense of safety to the patient. At present, requirements for children rehabilitation increases day by day in the world. Yet, medical resources for children rehabilitation are in serious shortage and medical education is weak. Children rehabilitation medicine is a crossing field of pediatrics and rehabilitation medicine, so it's more special. At current stage, development course for children rehabilitation medicine is rather slow. In order to make some contributions to the development in the field of children rehabilitation medicine, we launch the Lower Limb Intelligent Feedback and Training System A1 for children at the meantime to meet their rehabilitation requirements. The A1 rehabilitation effect is remarkable, but it's not applicable to the patients with unstable fracture, fixed spasm, cardiac contraindication, and external skin injury at lower limb and trunk, extremely asymmetry of legs, and spine development, and severe lower limb vessels, etc. When using the lower limb intelligent feedback and training system, please note the issues as follows. EKONG Lower Limb Intelligent Feedback and Training System helps the patient to regain happy life.